Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a German job contract from your home country. This is a great way to secure a job in Germany before you move there, and it can also make your visa process easier. So, let's get started. First of all, you need to find a job that suits your qualifications and interests. You can use various online platforms, such as Make It in Germany, Xing.com, Indeed.de, Glassdoor.com or StackOverflow.de, to search for job listings in different sectors and regions. You can also use social media, such as LinkedIn or Xing, to network with potential employers and recruiters. You can also contact the German Chamber of Commerce in your country or the Federal Employment Agency in Germany for advice and support. Some of these websites allow you to filter the jobs that offer visa sponsorship, which means that the employer will help you with the visa application and cover some of the costs. This can make your job search easier and faster, especially if you are from a non-EU country. However, even if a job does not explicitly offer visa sponsorship, you can still apply for it and negotiate with the employer later. Once you have found a job that you like, you need to apply for it. You should prepare a professional CV and a cover letter that highlight your skills and experience relevant to the position. You should also include copies of your certificates and diplomas, and if possible, have them translated into German or English. You should also check if you need to have your qualifications recognized by the German authorities, and if so, apply for the recognition procedure. Additionally, you can verify the equivalency of your degree to a German degree via anabin.kmk.org. If your application is successful, you will be invited for an interview. Depending on the employer, this could be done via phone, video call, or in person. You should prepare well for the interview by researching the company, the role, and the industry. You should also practice answering common interview questions and showcase your motivation and enthusiasm. You should also dress appropriately and be punctual. If the employer decides to hire you, they will present you with a work contract, Arbeitsvertrag, that covers all the details of your employment agreement. You should read the contract carefully and make sure you understand and agree with all the elements, such as role description, contract duration, probation or trial period, working hours, salary, bonuses, additional benefits such as a company car or mobile phone, holiday leave, company pension scheme, conditions of contract termination, collective bargaining or company agreements, if applicable, working location and travel expectations, e.g. if working for an international company. If there is anything you don't understand or are unhappy about, you should discuss it with the employer before you sign anything. You can also consult a lawyer for advice if needed. Once you sign the contract, you have officially accepted the job offer. The next step is to apply for a visa and a residence permit that allow you to work in Germany. Depending on your nationality and qualifications, there are different types of visas available, such as Work Visa for Qualified Professionals, EU Blue Card, Visa for IT Professionals, Visa for Job Seekers, Visa for the Recognition of Foreign Qualifications, Visa for Self-Employment. You can check which visa suits you best by using the Quick Check tool on Make It in Germany Superscript 2. You can also find out more about the visa procedure, the entry and visa process and the visa application forms on their website Superscript 2. You should apply for your visa as soon as possible, as it can take several weeks or months to process. Once you have your visa and your work contract, you are ready to move to Germany and start working. Congratulations! I hope this video was helpful and informative. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on life and work in Germany. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Discuss. Waving hand. PS If you are wondering what are some of the most demanded jobs for expats in Germany, here are some examples according to Deutschland.de. Software developers, architects and programmers, electronics engineers, electricians and electrical fitters, nurses, IT consultants and analysts, economists and business management experts, customer advisors and account managers, production assistants, sales representatives and assistants. These are just some of the many opportunities that await you in Germany. So don't hesitate to start your job search today.